Good evening, and thanks so much for being with us. I'm Brian Yacono.
And I'm Amanda Hill. First tonight, a legal challenge to Maine's 72-hour waiting period for all gun purchases. That law went into effect in August, and as a result, Maine became the 13th state to impose some sort of waiting period. Some have as long as a 30-day wait. Other states have rules depending on what type of gun it actually is they're buying. Now, 3 months later, gun rights groups are challenging the law.
News Center Maine's Alex Haskell spoke with advocates on different sides of the issue and has the details for us.
Maine lawmakers have responded to the Lewiston mass shootings that killed 18 people with a series of gun control bills passed by Democrats. One of those requires a 3-day waiting period to buy a firearm. It took effect in August.
We made it public on several occasions that if the legislature passed it, we would challenge it.
Now, local gun rights groups are following up on that promise. A coalition including Gun Owners of Maine, the Sportsmen's Alliance of Maine, and other partners have filed a lawsuit challenging the law.
We continue to believe today that the law is unconstitutional.
The suit is filed against Maine Attorney General Aaron Fry in U.S. District Court. The gun rights groups are being represented by Clement and Murphy, a law firm with experience in Supreme Court cases, specifically as they relate to the Second Amendment.
The fact that there's a legal challenge doesn't come as a surprise.
Gun safety advocates argue waiting periods can serve as effective deterrents for impulsive decisions that may lead to harm.
In Maine, a state where nearly 90% of gun deaths are suicides, this is a much needed law.
One advocates say has survived legal challenges in other states, giving them hope the same will happen here in Maine.
The best case possible has been put forward, and now this is in the hands of the court and our attorneys.
Meanwhile, those behind the lawsuit are waiting to see what happens next. Alex Haskell, News Center, Maine.
Gun rights groups say they also expect challenges to that law outside the courtroom. The director for the Sportsmen's Alliance of Maine says some state lawmakers have drafted legislation to appeal it.